here is this Assigment3, where we needed to publish this application, this Python application, to the continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline to the GitLab. And this was very interesting assignment because there wasn't directly guidance to this kind of thing in our material, and I could not found same kind of thing in internet also. So this took some time, I would say, and Juho helped me a lot with this. But let me introduce this and how I did this. First I did this build part, and I got Juho took some steps that he put these tags there and set that continuous integration pipeline there, and after that I could start testing it. And I test this thing so that I first did this build, and when the build was ready, I tested it in my local computer like this. I can show you. So I find out here. So I did run this application with the Docker run like this. So it used this same image that I have built in here GitLab. So I run it this way, and with the D, because I wanted to run commands inside the box. So I run the container, so it's now okay. So it's running. So that's why I could not run it again. So it's already there. But after that I did login in that thing here. So it's already running, and I logged into this container, running container, and I did run every command here, because when I look some commands how to like install Docker into Debian, so there was instructions, but there was sudos here, and there wasn't this Y here, because if I don't put this Y here, this deploy process stops when it asks some questions. So I did run every command here, this and tested that everything works. And now I can run here a Docker command because I have installed all things. So Docker runs here, and also I think Heroku. No, Heroku doesn't work here, but yeah, the Docker command works. So we need Docker command in here. We cannot use this if the Docker command does not work. So, and I can show you that this will work. And before deploying your script, I did save my Heroku API key and my app name, which is now here, in variables. They are here, settings and CI CD and variables, and they are there. So I have made here my app name and my Heroku API key, so I can change my app name here if I want. Now I can show you because it's not sacred one. So it's now the Assigment3. Okay. So now I can test this. Will it work? So I made some little change here. And I save it, and I commit this. First I need to exit this container, but I did do commit this. I commit this, and I will push it to the repository. So when I push it, it will start the build process here. As we can see, it's running now, and I can see this process here, what it does. So this is very useful when you testing this deploy script, because then you can see when it stops. Okay, it seems to be okay, and it runs okay. And now I can run deploy. I push deploy here and check it out. What happens there? So what this script does, it will update and upgrade all and install curl command, and after that it will install all dependencies that Docker needs, and then it downloads this GPG key for the Docker repository, and then it adds this Docker repository here and update after adding a repository, and then I install the Docker here. So this is the before script that I need to run here. So now it's doing the build. And after the build, it will log in to the registry. This GitLab registry, and it will pull the image there. Now it's installing the Docker there. Yeah. And we can see that it's there. The Assigment3 the Assigment Python 3 Heroku app.com. It's not. It's the one that I will run. So, but I will tell something about this. So, after that we will create the Heroku app here, and app name is, I use my own app name here, which is this my variable, and I will log into the Heroku registry. I will tag this registry image here and push this image to the Heroku registry. And after that, I will release the web app. So now I can see that it's all right, succeed, and it seems that it went well, and I can test now this application, and it seems to work. So this was a very nice piece of assignment. Not too easy. I need to say. I think that this Assigment3 took for me something like 20 hours. But thanks you all for help. Without your help, I think that it would take more time. Thank you.